everybody, I'm Miss Cooksey, and today we're going to be talking about the standard form of a linear function. So, the standard form of a linear function is what you see right here on the screen. Ax plus by equals c. In the standard form of a linear function, a, b, and c must all be integers. They must all be whole numbers. So that's super important because if we have a fraction anywhere in the standard form of a linear function, it is not technically in standard form. So, for example, 5x minus 3y equals 6 is the standard form of a linear function. In this example, our a value is 5, our b value is negative 3, and our c value is 6. In this example, x plus 4y equals negative 2, our a value is 1, our b value is 4, and our c value is negative 2. Even though that 1 isn't actually written there as the coefficient, we know that there's always an invisible 1 as the coefficient in that space. Next, we want to find the x and y intercepts. So to find the next piece of review that we need, because we need this in our brains in order to actually graph something from the standard form. To find the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal 0, and to find the y-intercept, we let x equal 0. That's because the x-intercept is where the y-axis equals 0, and the y-intercept is where the x-axis equals 0. Standard form is especially helpful with finding these intercepts. So here we have 2x plus y equals 4. We'll start by finding the x-intercept, which means we let y equal 0. So I'm going to substitute the 0 for y. 2x plus 0 equals 4. Well, 2x plus 0 is 0. So then I have 2x equals 4. I can divide both sides by 2, and I have x equals 2. So my x-intercept is at 2, 0. And I'm actually going to go ahead and graph that x-intercept. My y-intercept is where x equals 0, so I'm going to substitute a 0 in for x. So 2 times 0 plus y equals 4. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus y equals 4, so y equals 4. That's my y-intercept. That's how easy the standard form of a linear function makes finding the intercepts. What's also really nice about standard form is I can actually graph my line now. So I have, let's give it arrows on both sides. I have my x-intercept, I have my y-intercept. Oh, it tried to disappear on me. We'll just do a straight line. And I can connect those dots. And that is my line. In our next example, I have 3x minus 2y equals 6. Well, I'm going to start by finding the x-intercept, which means I set y as 0. 2 times 0 is 0, so that leaves me with 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by 3, and x equals 2. To find my y-intercept, I'm going to set x as 0. So 3 times 0 minus 2y equals 6. Negative 2y equals 6. I'm going to divide both sides of my equal sign by negative 2, and I have y equals negative 3. Just like in my last example, I'm going to graph my line by connecting my dots. Okay, final example. We have x minus y equals negative 2. Well, to find the x-intercept, I'm going to set y as 0. X minus 0 equals negative 2. So that leaves me with x equals negative 2. So that's my x-intercept. Then I'm going to substitute 0 for x to find the y-intercept. So 0 minus y equals negative 2. Negative y equals negative 2. To undo that negative sign, I need to divide by a negative 1, so y equals 2. Then I can connect my dots and graph my line. So the standard form of a linear function is ax plus by equals c. It's especially useful for finding the x and y-intercept and graphing your line based on that x and the y-intercept. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video, and I'll see you next time.